In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to get Visionshaper in Deepwoken. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to acquire the oath Visionshaper. So Visionshaper is one of the 14 obtainable oaths in Deepwoken. It allows one to utilize the power of illusions with a pact made with the Nest Mind to quickly and effectively overwhelm their enemies in various ways. It is the opposing oath to Blind Seer. So in this video, I'm going to go over all of the requirements for you to unlock this. First, make sure that you have at least 50 charisma. Next, complete Aelita's encounter. This will be found in the Valley of Heroes when it's not winter. Have a dark feather in your possession. With these three main requirements done, next you will have to complete some certain steps. Find Surge. He is going to be located inside the Widow Cave in the depths. Give them a dark feather. Surge will become Owl Surge and the area will seemingly transition. When you go to leave Surge's room, you will find yourself within a conscious intersection. Do not fall into the void. Doing so will send you down into layer 2 without a light hook. When you are in there, talk to the Nest Mind, ensuring that you select the first options. Once the Nest Mind mentions food select, I accept to take the oath. So as soon as food is mentioned, choose I accept. Refusing to become the Nest Mind's food will steal your dark feather and teleport you back to reality. But if you accept, you will be able to acquire Visionshaper. And like I mentioned earlier, you will now be able to use the power of illusions with the pact made with the Nest Mind to overwhelm your enemies in various ways. So make sure that you have 50 charisma, you complete Aelita's encounter, have a dark feather, and start this chain of events by finding Surge located inside the Widow Cave in the depths. I hope I was able to help you on how to get Visionshaper in Deepwoken. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.